Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at this is the third job we did today, and this happens to be just a small 20 window job. We clean this 4 times a year, and so we break out a 24-foot ladder, go and do the walk-ups. Don't need a pole or anything for any of the walk-ups. One guy goes inside. I just did the outsides. Outsides took me 15 minutes to do this. We're using a ladder. I do have my water-fed trailer with me today, and I even have a tank in it, and it's just not even worth for, just for 10 high windows, not even worth pulling the water-fed out for that. So we ladder it, 15 minutes outside. Guy inside still finishing up, and I'll go help him finish inside. So here's just a quick look at what it is, and I'll just give kind of a little detail on kind of what we did here. So these are quick and easy 24-foot ladder moves, nothing big, and using the ladder works out good. I do have my truck with my water-fed trailer. Like I said, it's not worth doing it. There's another side of the building here, just going around. It's just a few windows on each side of the building on the 3 sides, and then we end up right here where I ended up with my ladder. Quick 15-minute job outside. Boy, we're out of here 20 minutes, 2 of us, 20 windows, quick and easy. And just wanted to point it out that the ladder's not dead. The ladder has a purpose in window cleaning. Man, we got water fed, we got different tools, but where we use them is up to each person. We all do things differently, and maybe you're not as comfortable on a ladder or can't move as quick on a ladder, feel safer on the water fed pole. Pull out that water fed pole and do it, but we found a good system with what we're doing, just using the ladder to do these. One guy outside, one guy inside, and that's just a look at our third job today. Just out here with the Warriors Forum.